Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Kumshi benta jongga jingkan rong lam ya kalengkor ban ajing yarap syakipait ba hakum gani kapor jing ya khun persya ya ka jing sapriang jong knyang jingpang coronavirus laniu COVID-19 ka Karuna Trust lengba ka jing betha jongga head office jongka kalasam Jingbam Taimet lengba ki Public Health Center ha West Khasi Hills District. Kawai na pedang kita ka ha Myrïaw PHC ha ka ba ka Karuna Trust head office kala pendep dang ha ka arfulai terik wiyayong arajar arpo. Barok ki bayo jing yarap ki don san khandai ngot ki long kemi ki ba armet ki ba wan na kaleng ki snong ki ba hap hapo ka jing kemi jong ka PHC Myrïaw. Laban kedau ba ka Karuna Trust ka don hapadeng ka jing yate PPP mode bat ka tnat ka koi ka khia jong ka sarkar jela hapo ka jing penya jong ka National Health Mission. Hagani ka sngi ki doktor rengkat ki staff jong ka ni ka jaka sumar ki lasam da ukhaw upan udai kadut bat kiwei jingbam jingdi ki batai met na kabenta ban pentikina ba kini kilong kumi kindap dagi jingbam balong vitamin ki batai met hakum kani kapor ka bakamet jongki kadai ban long ka basait ka bakhlain ba kinong penyai ki labu renti bhai ya ki kendon ki baka sarkar ka labu kata ban penbiang ya ki jaka bat ki jing saikti bar kumju ya ka social distancing. Ya ka jing yalang la penyai dau ba tenison nong sek ubadai unong trei ka PHC Myrïaw bar layo ka jing kren sardar shnong Myrïaw ba kermen marngar u Dr. Nitu Deka ki staff jong ka PHC u ba Chesterfield marngar ki khot ka HYC Mauthat Rashan Circle ka samla lamlenti lengkhoi president but secretary jong ka HYC Myrïaw Circle bat kat to kan ni ki pait ba.
Today we have did a donation program. That means we have donated some food items like rice, dal, potato to pregnant mothers, especially ANC mothers. Around 60 plus mothers we have distributed them, and that is only for 6 villages under the PHCs. And next another 2 days we'll do sub-center wise for another 200 plus mothers. And today especially we did this program with the help of Karuna Trust, the NGO which is running the PHC with the partnership of Meghalaya government in PPP mode of NHM. So this Karuna Trust, they take this initiative to help the pregnant mother during this lockdown period who are really poor and who can't afford their daily commodities. So Karuna Trust, they decided to help them, help provide them a helping hand. And during this program, the lockdown duration, the mothers who have delivered in PHCs, this Karuna Trust, through this PHCs, they have help them with this one, rice, dal, mustard oil, soybean, mother's Horlicks, Huggies, baby cream for the baby, so that these mothers, the poor people, especially ANC mother, lactation mothers, so that they can fight this against this COVID-19 and they can follow this rule regulation of Meghalaya government, so that they can fully support this program also. So I especially will thanks this Karuna Trust for helping these poor people like this remote area like this Myrïaw PHC. And I'd like to help thanks to our all Asha plus Sardar also who came and helped this during this program and make it successful. And all mothers also, they feel happy, and me also as a part of Karuna Trust and as a doctor of this PHC, I am also so happy, our staff also so happy.
Nakaliang jonga kumu sadar senang jong senang Myrïaw. Ngalai don rangkat ne, rangkat bat kaneka Myrïaw PHC, ya kaba kum ka Myrïaw PHC lengba kejeng penyaj jong kaneka NGO, Karuna Trust ya kaba habakum kaneka por kijing jong ki pajba nang senang ne, kaya don bentah nakamta ban nosnyang hukum kane kapor nakamta ke jingarap jong kane ka NGO Karuna Trust ya ki longkmi ki ba armet ya balai nosnyang dau khau upan batudai tengah ngau penpau ke jing ngau kemen adu kata-kata ya kane ka NGO Karuna Trust ya ka ba kiladan benta ban yarap yaki hukum kane kapor dengan nges kem baru ya keba kane ka jingla jom ka NGO te kalong ka jingkap khu nakam ta kilong ying long sem apo kadong kathan ke jingi ke bai omat ya kane ka jing ki hukum kine kisni langba kane ka lockdown ya keba baru kari India ka jalan clear kala kabapen benar kena lockdown dengan laya kenduk situn kijing kum ki nong sing sinong ki long ying long sam habakum kena kapal teden nak tak kadau ngapen pau sasten ya kijing sngau nguk kabakrau langba ki ti ki bosbun jom kena ga NGO kaba lanos nyang nam ta kadang kadang kejungi tetang kene kinten sebab naik kulai ya kane ka NGO bahkan ya seprang namta kejing isnai jing jungpi namta kadang kathan kejungi